Good evening to everyone. On behalf of Edilabs Technology Solution and ProjectContest.com, I welcome you all for the virtual circuit design competition. So we are conducting this circuit design competition under the banner of Tinkercad Circuit Design Contest 2021, which is a project making event for student, hobbyists, or any individual who is likely to showcase their talents in the circuit design. That is the ultimate goal of this. Uh, this is an event which is conducted free of cost. So we need your talent should be shown off. That is the ultimate goal of that. Uh, we appreciate each and everyone because in the 2 days of time around 150 plus registration has been done, which is a very good thing which is happened for this event. So we like to have all the registered participants to submit your ideas or design in this event, such that will be making this event a grand one. Okay, so we face some of the issues when some of the participants has uploaded their project. So this video is to clear the working process of the from top to end. That is from how you have to create an account, how you have to upload your project, that is Snap or link or all other things, and how you have to generate your idea, that is as a video, and you have to present up. These are the three things which you are going to cover in this video. So the very first thing is we have to go for the link, that is nothing but edilabs.com/contest. This link has been already shared to you. So you go to that website where you can see an contest like Tinkercad Circuit Design Contest. So click on the website. So after clicking that website, you will be finding details. What are the things that to be done? Have a small look over that. At the bottom of the thing, you will be having 5 buttons. One is to register yourself over here, and the second one is the whether you can check your name in the register list if you have been successfully registered. Third, to add your project. Fourth is the thing, the project which is uploaded by you will be approved by us. We will be checking your images and the link which you have been provided. If everything is okay, then we will be approving your project. So once we approve, that will be listed over here. And the last is an WhatsApp group where you can connect with us. So if any information which we are going to like to share instantly, that will be shared in the WhatsApp group. So till the end of the event, I kindly request you to be in this group. Okay. So let me start the process. The very first process is to register an account in this event website. And the second, you have to create a project in an Tinkercad platform. Third, you have to create a video and upload and send it to our mind. These are the three things which you should do. The very first thing is click the register button, which is the first button. We'll be asking for the details. Click your type your name, then your mobile number. It is a 10-digit mobile number. We also got some registration from other countries, so you can enter your own mobile number. There is no restriction, but as far SMS is concerned, India users will get the SMS. International users won't get the SMS, but you will be getting the email, so you don't have to worry. All the Indian users or Indian participant, kindly enter your 10-digit mobile number. On other country participant, kindly you enter the number which you have. Okay, no problem with that, but you won't get SMS. That is the only thing difference between local and the international. And after that, you have to go with your email ID. I'm giving my email ID by email ID over here. Then it asks for the college or company. My company name is Erilab Technology Solution. I have clicked it over there. Then you have to select whether you are a school, college, faculty, hobbyist, and others. Others in the sense company and all other things will be coming in this category. So click others. Click register. So once you click it up, you'll be getting a pop-up like, thank you have successfully registered for Tinkercad Circuit Design Contest 2021. Design your work using Tinkercad Circuit. So after clicking that, you'll be getting an email. Whether you also can check it over here. Here you can see. Uh, After successful registration, you will be getting an mail from us like you have been successfully registered and what are the things to be hurried. This you will be received, and also all the Indian users will get an SMS to your registered mobile number. Okay, so that is the first thing you have to do. And after that, what you have to go is you'll be going back again to the screen. Go to the bottom of the screen, click register list. Here you can see your name if it is registered successfully. Okay, if that is done, then you have been automatically registered to the event. This is your registration ID, TCDC 5160 for this event. Okay, So after that, what you have to do is you have to click project. So for the project, you have to give a registered mobile number or the registered email ID. I'm giving my mobile number and clicking the submit button. At the bottom of the thing, you can see all your registration details which you have been provided during registration, and also it will be asking for the photos, participant name. This name, company or institution name will be used for certificate, and also your passport size photo. That should be quite clear, because in all the certificate we will be printing the users or the participants photo. So kindly upload your participant photo here. This will be an one-time one. Once you uploaded that, this process will be completed. For example, see, I'm clicking over that and I am adding some photo. For example, this is you think of that this is my image. I'm clicking over here and clicking OK. So click upload button. So once your photo gets uploaded, that will be reflected over there. See, your photo has been successfully updated in the database. Here you can see your passport size is uploaded. Hereafter you can't upload it. This is an one-time one. So choose a proper photo and upload it. This is your name and your company or institution name. If an hobby is, you can type nil or not applicable. Okay, so this is the second part. Third part is the project submission. As I already we have intimated, it is an individual event. So each and every user should, only one user is permitted for a project. So but you can upload n number of projects. Sir, I'm having 10 ideas that should be presented. Then you can choose and submit your 10 ideas also. There is no restriction on that. Okay, so click to submit your project. You'll be entitled with some of the details you should have. One is the title of your project, then your Tinkercad project share link, then what are the hardwares you used on your project, then abstract. Usually the last you have to keep a note on that, because abstract is which describes the whole project. So kindly spare some minute to prepare a good abstract which should clearly mention your project, because most of the people won't see about your videos. They will be sparing time in studying what you have done. So kindly prepare your abstract in such a way that will be easily understandable. That is quite enough. You can either type in English or Tamil, and you can put it over here. And after that, you have to select your project photo and you have to click submit. So these are the things which we have to ready. Okay, after that we can show that I'm opening another thing called Tinkercad. So these are, we have to ready a project, and after that only we have to submit a tab. For that, you go to Google and type tinkercad.com. So after going to that, you will be finding this view. And what you have to do is you have to click join now. He'll be asking for educator start here, student join now. You click create a personal account. If you already have an account, click sign in and go. If you are not having an account, click create a personal account. So he'll be asking for email or Google or some other thing. You can click Google, because you don't have to remember your password for every account. This will be quite good. So click if you have a Google account and you sign it up. As I am already having an account with Tinkercad, it will be taking me to the dashboard. If you are new to that, then it will be asking for another one step to verify that. If you verify, then it will be accepting that and will be moving on to that. Okay. See, it moves on to my dashboard. Here you can see Edilabs technology solution and all the things which happens. In the Tinkercad, we can do three main things. One is 3D designs, circuits, and code blocks. These are the three things which we can make in Tinkercad. What we are going to do is we are going to do circuits. So click circuits. In circuits, you can see create a new circuit. On the bottom of the screen, all the things are which I have done earlier. So you click create new circuit. A new window will be opened with all the options available. So this is my workspace. So what you have to do is, in the top pen corner near the logo Tinkercad, you can see that Epic Garys. So this is my project name right now. You click that and you change the project name. So for example, my project is LED control. See, my project is LED control. So now my project name is changed LED control. So as citizen working with cloud type of integration, you don't have to save manually. Each and everything will be saved automatically. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. So after that, you have to click components and you have to click all. So these are the components available in Tinkercad. You can choose any component. So you can do your project with microcontroller or without microcontroller. That's not a problem at all. But your circuit should be neat and it should be a working model. And the presentation and abstract should be crystal clear in what you are going to do. That is the ultimate goal, ultimate thing which we are seeing. Okay. So, for example, if you are going to do with Arduino, select the Arduino. If you are not going to use Arduino and you are going to use some electronic components, put it over there and you work it up. No problem with that. For example, I am going to do a project like a Arduino LED control. I am selecting an Arduino, paste it over here, and I need a LED and resistor and making the connection. All the things should be done here. Once everything is connected, you go for click code section and you change your code. You say if you are going to type your code, click text. If you are going to work with blocks, click box and you do it. Okay. So for example, right now I'm saying that I'm going to work with blocks and text. Here you can see that my 13th LED will be high and my 13th LED will be low for every 1 second. This is the concept behind this program. So if I click that start simulation, my program will be started running and you can see the output. If everything is correct, your project is good. You put your concept over there and you make your own circuit. You have to note that you have to make a clear circuit. That is a quite some of them are dragging the wire here and there. You make a clear and neat circuit. Okay. After doing that, what you have to do is you click back button. On the dashboard you can see because you can see a project like LED control. Here you can see LED control, but at the bottom of the bottom of LED control you see a few seconds ago private in the sense you alone can do that. So I cannot work with that. So what we are going to do is we are going to click this settings, properties, and you can make you can give some descriptions on all other here over there, and we can click public. If public, everyone can view your project. That is the ultimate here. Here you can see I have given it is a public one. So after that, if it is public, click your project. Here you can see the project is there, or else you can click Tinker this. Okay. See, the thing which you have done is over here. Here on the top end corner below your here you can see click share with your people. The first thing is snapshot your design. That is the project screen which we need. You click that and it will be asking for that. You save it in any of your local drive and click save. Now my screenshot is saved. And after that, what I have to do is again I have to click share button. Here at the bottom of the thing you can see invite people. Click invite people and you will be having a link. Copy the link. That's the thing. If everything is completed, again you can go back to your screen. Here you have to copy the link. This is the title, LED control, and my hardwares are Arduino LED resistor. So here you have to write, for example, this Arduino LED control will control my LEDs for every 1 second. Like that, you can give some description over there, and after that you have to choose. As I already said, I have saved in my desktop as an LED control image. Here you can see LED control image. Select that, click open, and click submit. Once you click it up, you see your project has been successfully uploaded and waiting for the approval to get published. Once approved, it will be published. So here you can see the status. Again, you can see here your new project ID is been generated, which is for LED control, and you can see your image by clicking here. Here you can see the image which we have added, and you can click this project link and you can see your project, that is which you have shared. You can see, and after that, see it is in verification. Once verification is completed, if it is published, you will be seeing here an option like published. Okay. So this is the thing which you have to do. So once this is completed, the first two steps are over, and the third step is nothing but you have to go to your circuit. This is your circuit. If you are using Windows 10, you can screen record, or you install some screen recorder to your system. You explain the working principle. For example, I have added an Arduino Uno. I'm going to control this LED. What is the use of the resistor over here, and what this controller is going to do? Like that, you have to explain clearly on what is the advantages over here, and what is the actual design you have made, and for what targeted people you have been designed at that. So everything you have to explain either in Tamil or English within 3 minutes. That is 180 seconds. You have to complete up. So you can record your video in should be less than 3 minutes. It may be either 2, 1 or 30 seconds, anything it may be, but it should not move beyond 3 minutes. You keep it. You keep a note on that. So after recording that, you just save this video and send to edilabs.com. That you will be receiving a mail as soon as you submit your project. You'll be getting a mail. Say I have submitted a project. Here, see, I have got an email that a project submitted for Tinkercad. Here it has been said that send your recorded video to edilabs@gmail.com. Here you send your recorded video along with your project ID. Project ID or mobile number, email ID, you can send it up. We will be looking over that and we'll be doing that. Okay. I think this is the thing which I have to say. If you have any queries, you can write up to edilabs@gmail.com. Thank you.